the game. It's a rich thing.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
Needed to get under there, see what was under the car, guys. How you doing, guys? I know that everybody has been really anxious to hear how the car sounds now. You guys will get to see the video next week. I'll put it the beginning of the week. I'll upload the video so you guys can hear the car, how it sounds and everything, and hopefully get to feel through this video the new Borla exhaust system for the Camry i4 XSE. That's it, guys, for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's a little tease. We'll see you guys next week. Stay tuned.